Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to understand how to identify greater number and smaller number in decimal. This topic is under CBSE Standard 7 syllabus from the chapter fraction and decimals. So here these are some of the numbers and we will identify that how to check which number is greater and which number is smaller. So here first number is 0.5 and 0.05. If we will ignore the zeros and decimal, then both the numbers are same, 5 and 5. But whenever the smaller and greater number we have to identify, first we will convert them into the fraction. So how we are going to write this? So here first number is 5 in denominator 10 is there, and second number is 5 in denominator 100 is there. Now how to convert fraction to decimal and decimal to fraction. If you have any doubt, check the link below. Check my previous videos. I have given the link into the description and understand how to convert decimal to fraction and fraction to decimal, and then come back to this video. Now 0.5 means 5 in division 10, 0.05 means 5 in division 100. Now this category is very simple, in which the denominator is more. The number in which the denominator is more, that number will be the smaller. So here this number is smaller. So here in this case 0.05 is smaller than 0.5 because its denominator is more. So that number's value will reduce. Now with all these two number, if I will add one more number like 0.5, 0.05 and one more number 0.005. So if you will convert all this number into the fraction, so 5 divided by 10, 5 divided by 100 and 5 divided by 1000. So this number will be the smallest because into its denominator the largest number is there. So here this number is the smallest, so 5 in denominator 1000 is the smallest. Then comes this 5 in denominator 100, and then comes this 5 in denominator 10. So this is the largest number, this is the greater number or greatest number or biggest number, and this is the smallest number. And this number is in between these two. So when the numbers are same, then we have to look for the denominator. And as the denominator is higher, as the denominator is greater, that number will be smaller. Now the second example, 0.5 and 0.7. So now let us first convert them into the fraction, that 5 divided by 10 and 7 divided by 10. So first we will look into the denominator. Whenever the smaller and greater number we have to identify, first we will check its denominator. Both denominator are same, then we have to look for the numerator. Which numerator is greater? This numerator is greater. So that number will be greater because they are having the same denominator. So here 0.7 is greater than 0.5. 0.7 is greater than 0.5. Right? Then 0.5 and 0.07. So here let us convert them into fraction, that 5 divided by 10 and 7 in division 100 will be there because there are two numbers after decimal. So 100 is there. First we have to look for the denominator. Whose denominator is greater, that number will be smaller. So this number is smaller because into its denominator 100 is there. So here 0.07 is smaller than 0.5. Even this number is smaller, into this denominator 100 is there, so this number is smaller. Then the next one is 1.23 and 12.3. So let us convert them. 123 in denominator, 2 points are there after decimal, so 100. And 123 and into the denominator 10 will be there. So here first we have to look for the denominator. So 100 and 10. Here the denominator is larger, so this number will be smaller. So here 1 point 23 is smaller than 12.3. 1.23 is smaller than 12.3. Then the next is 0.7 and 0.77. So here 7 in division 10 and 77 and in division 100 is there. Now, whenever this kind of numbers are there, 0.7, 0.5, 0.4, then we can write them as 0.70, 0.700, right, to match with other number, So other number is after decimal 2 numbers are there, after decimal 2 digits are there, then we have to add 1 0 here. If this is 777, then we would have add here 2 zeros to match with this number. So this one thing you have to remember, that when 0.7 is there and 0.77 is there, when one number is there after decimal and 2 numbers are there after decimal, then to match with the other number we will add 1 0 at the back. So here actually the number is 70 in division 100 and 77 in division 100 is there. So this will be changed. From whatever you are seeing here, this will change. So to match with the other number, we are adding 0 at the back. So 70 and 77. So here first we will look for the denominators. Denominators are same. Then we will check for the numerator. So here 77 is there. So 77 divided by 100 is bigger than this. This number is bigger than this number. So here 0.77 is bigger than 0.7. If you will not put 0 at the back, then you will write that this number is bigger. But here you are making a mistake. To match this number, we have to first add 0 here, and then both the numbers we have to write into the fraction, and then we will check for which number is greater and which number is smaller. What is the key to understand smaller and greater numbers? So first thing, convert them into the fraction form. Check for the decimals, whether they are having a same decimal or different decimal. If one decimal is bigger, or the decimals are not same, then the number which are having bigger decimal will be the smaller number. Bigger the denominator, smaller the number. Then third thing, if they are having the same denominator, then look for the number. And this is a special example in which we are changing the number and we are writing its fraction. We are changing the number and we are writing the fraction, and then we will identify which number is greater and smaller. Hope this video has solved your many doubts, and now you will know how to identify smaller number and greater number. Don't forget to subscribe, learn yourself. I'll see you in next video. Till then, keep learning, keep practicing.